Okay, so let's proceed ahead now. We go for the group task number 187. So now we are doing group task number 187, and that group task is based upon the actual task asked in HPCL recently. Though I don't remember because the student has given the task that is not very appropriately all the details are mentioned in that, but I still believe we can talk on that. At least the directions we can know. Some inputs were missing in that task, which may be crucial. So I don't know whether what informations are missing in that task which students sent me on the basis of this their memory. So, but let's proceed ahead. So let me share this group task number 187 with you. So this is the task which is given. It is said that you are among 8 trained agents. Okay, so you are among 8 trained agents who are being held in prison in some country. Your government has arranged something for your escape. Transportation is arranged once you escape from prison. You have rupees 50k with which you can use use it for escaping. It is well guarded prison with guards stationed in the tower. There are 3 stages of escaping. One is from dormitory to kitchen, another is from kitchen to garden, and then garden to outside. So there are 3 stages in which you can escape from prison to outside, and the moment you are outside, then there's a transportation. Actually the task is use this 50,000 rupees prudently so that you can escape. When you choose some option, you have some options which are with money, but money is limited, and then you have some options which are not safe. Like bribing the guard may be the safest because he is going to stop you. The moment you do that, you have to incur some cost, 25,000, 40, 30,000. So 50,000 is everything you have, right? So you have to use the options, how you go from first stage, how you go from second stage, how you go from third stage, so that you escape well. That is a basically case study which is given. So some inputs were missing here. What options were provided, that was missing, as I told you. So still we proceed ahead with this particular case study. Give you a couple of minutes and then we proceed. So have you written?
Yes, sir.
You still need some time, or you have written this?
Written, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I think you have understood the task, and let's see how we proceed for this particular task. So now we start this particular task, and you people know the way how to proceed. So you people are not to be in hurry, but you have to give right solution. Whatever you say, whatever solution you give, you should provide the reason for that. And at the end, when you conclude, it should be consensus decision from entire group, not from one particular person, but entire group. Now I request each one of you to proceed ahead and participate.
Hi, sir. Before we start, I'm Himanshi this side. I just wanted to know, like, because this is the first time I would be participating in any kind of GT. So, how should we start? And if you would just briefly
Okay,
just let me know.
Himanshi, let others start and you participate. This is so others please start it, and then in the meantime, Himanshi also join, right?
Hello,
So
friends.
Okay, that
Hello, friends. I will be very glad to start this discussion. Today we are the eight prisoners got present in some other country. We have an option to escape. We have three stages to escape. From first one, dormitory to kitchen, kitchen to garden, garden to outside. So we have to discuss the ways so that we can escape safely. In my opinion, to start the discussion, I chose to choose the first step to be risky, so that another two steps will be the safest, because choosing the risky option in the first way will give us an option to choose safest positions in the last. If we choose the safest position, safest option in the initial itself, the other two steps might be risky, in which case the total efforts will get into vain. So in my opinion, choosing the risky step in the first is better, and choosing the safest position will be the best way. And I will open the discussion. I will open the room for the discussion. Please carry on.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
okay.
agree with
Let me
what
see.
you told.
I'm
What you told, I completely agree with
I'm
you.
telling.
And first, we have for this. I think first we have to see like whether these three stages are known by these three agents or not. We have to focus on it first. If they know these three stages for escaping, there should be some strategy, I think. And if they don't know the for escaping these three stages, we can do alternate for it, like what he told. Like first we have to choose the risky thing. Then after we go with the safest thing, I think.
Yes.
Okay, so since we have given an instruction that we have to escape from the prison, we already know that we have to go from a dormitory to kitchen, kitchen to garden, and then garden to outside. So our first aim will be that how to reach to the kitchen from dormitory, because that is our initial step. The three statements are given in there. I feel that the second was a good one, that by passing through the guard, what we can do, that we can see the guard, that whether what is his timing. हम लोग गार्ड की को एक व्यू कर सकते हैं कि गार्ड कब एक्टिव होता है, कब कब उसकी क्या पोजीशन होती है. तो अगर हम उस गार्ड को ऑब्जर्व करें अच्छे से, और हम तब उसको अगर हम उसके हिसाब से, उसके डेली रूटीन के हिसाब से अगर उस चीज को ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, और फिर हम अगर उसको टेक ओवर करें, आई थिंक वो हमारा एक पहले तो पैसा बच जाएगा, 10,000 में वो हो जाएगा चीजें, और हम इजिली गार्ड से एस्केप कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग एक ऑलरेडी ट्रेन एजेंट है. तो हम लोग को ये आइडिया है कि कैसे किस प्रोसेस से हम लोग गो थ्रू कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद जो सेकंड जो दिया है कि किचन टू गार्डन, किचन टू गार्डन में मैं एकदम सेफेस्ट पोजीशन पे जाना चाहूंगा बाय स्विचिंग ऑफ द जो लाइट टावर. जो टावर की जो लाइट है, जो एक नाइट में जो ऑन होती रहती है फॉर 40 सेकेंड्स, तो वो एक सेफेस्ट ऑप्शन है. तो 30,000 में वहां पे करके मैं उस टावर को मैं लाइट स्विच ऑफ कर सकता हूँ, और मैं इजिली से एस्केप कर सकता हूँ. थर्ड ऑप्शन के लिए मेरा है जो गार्डन टू आउटसाइड. ये क्योंकि मेरे पास ओनली 10,000 लेफ्ट है मेरे पास, तो सिर्फ 10,000 लेफ्ट है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि जो व्हीकल है जो डंप कैरी कर रही है, हम लोग ऑल्दो ये एक बहुत रिस्की ऑपरेशन है, पर हम लोग एक ट्रेन एजेंट है, तो हमें उस सिचुएशन को, हर चीज सिचुएशन में रहना, कैसे काम करना है, वो हमें सब आता है. तो हम एक वो ऑप्शन को एक सेफेस्ट मान के उस चीज में रिस्क कर सकते, क्योंकि हमारे पास पैसे बचे नहीं, ओनली 40,000 वी हैव ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टेड इट, only 10,000 left. So I think this can be a better option. Now you all guys can also share your views.
Yeah, I actually agree with Kritarth because the reason being is if we are taking at the first step from going dormitory to kitchen, if you are taking ventilator, although it's risky and less probable, but it won't be practical as well because chances of getting caught there would be really high. So, and definitely at the initial position, if you're getting caught, the issues are going to be much more with respect to the current situation.
That what I told, that we have to observe the guard. We have to
Yeah,
observe.
that's what, like, I am completely agreeing with you.
Yes, yes.
Completely agreeing with you. That's what I'm saying. Choosing the first option won't be a good idea. Guarding, I mean, going through the guard room would be a safest idea. I mean, we can't even bribe the guards because we cannot spend 25,000 rupees there. So
Yes,
through
that's what
guard
I
room
said.
would be the safest option.
That is different only.
Yes,
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 yes, that's what
completely agreeing with you, sir.
Okay, okay.
And then in the next chance, yes, I mean, if we bribe the tower guard to switch off the lights, it, although being the safest one, I think 30,000 spending out on there, we could actually choose for the latter one through hospitals by making the keys. It will be risky, but it won't be. I mean, we can use that amount, the remaining amount, we can use it through sewage pipes. Because base carriage vehicle would be a more risky, and even taking the risk at the last stage of your escape would be a, I mean, not practical thing to do. I think we should be giving, you know, through hospitals by making cases, and then we should take.
Escaping from kitchen to garden, if you are taking the second option, like through hospital, then from the dormitory to kitchen, we can select the bribing the guard, because still we have got the 25K, I mean 50K, which can be easily managed.
Yeah,
And
in
this is
fact,
the safest option.
that would be the safest option to. Yes, we can go with that as well.
Yeah, I think Himanshu told me that going to hospital is, I think that won't be a good idea, because first we have to, we are 8 agents are there. So for going to that hospital, and we have to at the same time we have to got ill, like we have to told them like, so everyone got at the same time ill. So it won't be in a practically it won't happen, and they suspect us like why these everyone got at the same time got some illness, something like that.
I agree with Subramanian. And I think we don't have to save any money after the entire operation. Once we are get safe out of the prison, the government will take care of us. So we can wisely choose the money distribution so that we don't have any risk at any time. On the first operation, so what it will be when we bribe the guard, and what about the second one? What are the options available? Second one, switching off.
I think we have to at some point of time sacrifice the risky option and I mean take the middle one, which can be not much risky and much not safest, because that would I mean, so because we have only 50K left.
Yes, see, in all the 3 stages, we have to take a risk in any one of these stages, because we don't have that much amount of money that we can all go through all the safest option. We have to take a risk in all the in any 3 stages what we have, because some risk we have to take, since we are agents. We are trained agents, so I think
yes, I agree. We are trained agents, so we can take the risky option in the last stage, so that we can use the most of the amount of money in the first 2 stages.
Yes.
Use the risky step at the last stage. Use the risky step at the last stage. What we get caught, we lose the money. We lose all. If we took the risky step at the last stage, we get if we get caught, we lost the money, we lost the opportunities, and everything we lost, right? So there is no point in taking the risky step at the last stage.
I think I agree with Bharat what he told. First, we have to take the risk at the initial stage itself. I think it should be the better option.
Because if you take the risky step at the beginning, if we get caught, we don't lose anything, because money with us only. We didn't spend.
Yes, it is a very good point. Okay,
Bharat,
I also
agree
get it.
with you. I
But
agree with you.
in last
That's
stage,
a good
I have
thing,
to have
but
one point. I have to add one point. In last stage, the risky is that we have to go on to the dump vehicle, a vehicle which is carrying waste. But if you see any general thing that no one sees the waste, that where it is going, no one observes it carefully. So I
And
think
also, we are not
on to
considering
that.
the
We
fact,
can take
and also,
that risk also. Yes, sir.
and also we are not considering the fact that we are 8 people and going through a garbage cart. We really don't know what kind of vehicle it is, how big is it, and as Kritaj said, what kind of garbage is it carrying? It would be able to hide us or not? I mean, these all things should be taken care into consideration.
Yeah, I
So
agree
if
with
we-
Himanshi what he told. We have to take care of these vehicle size also, and I think continuous monitoring will be there at that garbage. I think there it can't be a good idea. I think, and also one more thing I want to add here is like garden to outside is the, I think it is open place. I think it should be
The most
it
guarded.
with more. Yeah, yes, we can caught very easily. So I think
So
we
I
can
want to know
spend-
that all of us in our team are ready to escape through the ventilator. So I think it is the most risky one in the initial stage.
Yeah, it won't be
So,
practical as well.
Yeah, I think if that is the one option we had, I think it will be a good option. I think.
How
And
many of
also
us
one more
agree
thing.
with that? Most of us are comfortable or not, so that we can fix the first one and let us discuss on the other two options.
No,
Yes.
because you see, before
Yeah.
choosing the first option, we should be more elaborative on that. Because if we, in my view, if we choose to escape through ventilator, we will be left with 50,000 for the next 2 stages. If we choose the first option, we should be in a safer place. We have to spend 10,000 there. We will be left with 40,000 for the next two stages. With 40,000 left in our pocket, we can't choose the safest places for the next two stages. We should be compromised with some moderate options. So we should think on both sides.
But keeping the money into consideration, I mean, yeah, we are actually, it's an optimization problem. So we are looking at optimizing our profits, that I understand. But going through ventilator, how practical is it? Because see, we are
Yes,
8
it is
people, right?
monotrack.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because we are
practicability
8
is so
people.
less.
I think
I believe we should be taking 10,000 rupees. I mean, giving guards to, I mean, 10,000 rupees, so that although the money is being spent there, but comparison, I mean, if we take out the risk into consideration, as it's already written, it's most risky and less probable. So
yeah, I think I can
I would
add one
like to
point here
come
to
here.
Himanshi point. Yeah, like she is saying that it is more risky, and I think in like we can think like first we have to since these are all trained agents. I think we can take some risk like first by going one agent and seeing whether that the condition of the ventilator, whether it is possible to go all the people and all. So if it is possible, then we can take that risk, because the last 2 steps that more prone to catch by
I would
that.
like to come in here. There are
I
three
think
possible.
Bharat and Akash are not speaking. I think they can also share their views. Bharat and
Yeah,
Akash,
Akash, he didn't speak, I think. So can you please put your point on?
Yes, okay, then proceed. Subramanian.
No, I'm asking Akash to put his view.
Akash is not here, I think. Akash and Bharat. Bharat, are you listening?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
Yes, you can share your views. Yes.
Okay. I think we can bribe the guard. We have that option because I think he's there. He knows something about the place. He can guide us, but it is a bit costly. So I think we can go with option 2 also.
Friends,
Yes,
I would like to come in here, and I would also like to, I mean, note my points. And if you want to suggest any further, you can also give your points. There are
Okay, I think we have discussed all the 3 stages in different ways. So I think we should now, before concluding, we should start that the confirmation
yes,
that
same I am also.
Yes,
I
I
am
think
saying about that. There are
observing the movements of the guard and through the guard room will be the safest one in the first stage.
So second statement,
what about
I think we should go by investing 10,000 rupees and by observing the guard, we can easily go through the next stage. Since we are trained agent, we can easily. So I think the first statement is clear. Now from kitchen to garden, anyone? My opinion was to invest 30,000 rupees by switching off the light tower. That was my views. Now you can also share if
I
you
agree
better.
also with
better-
that. Anybody else
If
who
we
agree?
give 30,000 here and in the step one, we have already given 10,000, we will be like, we have already spent 40,000.
Yes.
We won't be left with much. So in option 3, we would be only left with the option of, waste carriage vehicle.
Vehicle.
And
Yes,
as we
yes.
already discussed, that won't be a practical thing to do. So I
So
think
what do you
option B
So
should
what
be there.
about,
second.
I mean, choosing the
what are the
second
options
option
are
to
available?
hospital and
How-
take-
How we can reach kitchen
5
to
more
garden?
minutes.
What
5
you
minutes
feel?
for you. 5 minutes.
I think what I believe, we should go from hospital by making the keys, because it will take much less money. I mean, it's 10,000 and there is 30,000. So
But there
we are
is
gonna,
risk for convincing
save
everyone that
20,000
all
years.
8 of us are ill at the same time. So that is also a big risk we have. We have to convince them.
Then,
In the original
But
task
then if
given,
that's
it
it,
is
then
not mentioned
option
here
one-
that it is the risky part.
Yes, I want to add one point.
yeah,
because
it's not made.
because in first stage we decided to go through guard by giving 10,000, right? So in second stage we have another option like giving 30,000 to guard for switching off the head. So same guards will be there. So we can deal with them for the less money. I think so. 10 and 40.
I think this is also, it will be the better option, that by switching off the lights and by giving 30,000, we can easily escape from kitchen to garden. I think
Yeah,
I
I
am also.
think that is right.
And then in the third stage, the way
Then third
carriage
stage,
vehicle is
we are left
mentioned
with only one thing, that
It
through
is
vehicle
fine.
which is carrying dump waste. See, little bit of scratches or little bit of any harm on body, we can go with that, because we are trained agents. We have already been given a torture, I think, because we are in
Actually,
different countries.
Kritarth,
Yes.
if there was just the situation of getting physically strained, that was not even the issue, because we were trained officers. But the problem being here is,
Yes.
as I told earlier, waste carriage vehicle, what kind of waste we are getting, what would the size
But
of the...
see,
Guys,
in different days,
someone-
the vehicle will be getting different waste. So the waste which we can easily go through that, the or like it's smell, odor, smell, or anything, we can observe that also. That
I
on
would
this
also like to
particular day-
point one point here,
Yes,
that
we can
there is
gather
a
out.
transportation has been arranged by the government at the outside. So if in the last, from the escaping from garden to outside in the last stage, if there is some risk involved, there could be some possible
Yes,
help from the
because
outside.
I think
Guys, I think we have missed a logic point here. I think we have missed a logic here. In second option, we have an option to go through hospital room. What if you choose the first option in first dormitory kitchen, if we go through the ventilator, we will get injured, right?
Yes.
So to go to the hospital, it may help us to go to the hospital by guarding 10,000
Yes,
by
yes.
showing the
Yes,
injured reason.
I agree.
That's a good point. That's
Third case, we will go through anyway. We will go through the safest option by giving 25,000 to the third option. So we will escape by spending 35,000 at all. Means
Yes,
I mean,
that's
I
a
think,
good option.
that would be, yeah, that's a good option. Bharat.
Yes, I also. That's
Maybe
we
the
can
last
be
one.
more convinced with our illness.
yes,
Okay.
there will be get.
So, from kitchen to garden, to which point you are all are agreeing?
30K.
Go through hospital.
Switching of the lights.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Actually, what Bharat told is point is very good. I think first we go through the ventilator. So
Yes.
by seeing some of the injuries to the hospital, we can make the
Yeah, 10,000.
By making
Keys, and
okay.
then we can go with
At the last stage, we can
safety.
safely.
We can
At the
say we
last
can
stage,
say
we
the
can,
safest option.
Yes.
yeah, at the last stage, I think we have sufficient amount of money. We
Yes,
don't
yes.
take, so
Yeah,
then-
we can
Okay,
go
okay,
through
then.
the
Yes.
That will be
stripes,
the
yeah.
option.
Okay.
Okay, then. Anyone who wants
But
to
I think
conclude?
we all have came into
Yes.
a conclusion here, right?
Yes, yes.
All right.
Yes,
someone can
the
conclude.
probability of the outcome may be different. We should also discuss this point. By choosing the first option to go through ventilator, the probability of outcome may be different also. We may get caught there. If we get caught there, we lose nothing, because the money with us only. We can try another time also with enough.
But,
So I think this is
all other,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, so ready to conclude now?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready to conclude now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So go
Yes,
ahead,
sir.
please.
Okay, sir. So we can choose for going through ventilators, although it's risky and less probable. But even if we get caught, then we still have the money. And if we get injured, then in the option 2, we can go through the hospital by making the keys, and we'll have the, we'll have the bahana that we are injured and that's why we are, and we can bribe 10,000 over there. And then in the last option, while going from garden to outside, we can bribe the guards with 20,000 and we can take sewage pipes, and that would be the most safest option to go from there. So that's what we concluded. If anybody wants to add up on any other things, then we can.
Okay, Himanshi, you are not to tell anybody to add because it is a conclusion, only you are to say. So can you repeat once again for first option, what did you say?
So going through the ventilator.
Okay.
And then in the second, from kitchen to garden, we can go through the hospital by making keys, because while we are going through the ventilator, we might get injured and we will have an excuse to go to the hospital, and we all 8 can go there. By bribing them 10,000 rupees, we can pass that phase, and then from garden to outside, we'll have a safest option through the sewage pipe by giving 20,000 to the.
So may I ask you, in the first stage, why you did not, you were having money, why you did not use guard room in the first stage?
Okay, sir, we actually thought of going through guard room as well. That was one of the options that we had. But then we decided on that if we are taking, 25,000 would be spent there, and then in the other option, if we are even spending 10,000, lastly we would be left with only waste carriage vehicle, and that would be more risky.
10K here.
Getting caught at the end of your.
No, if you use 10K here, still you have 20K for this. My question is, you are taking. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I got your concern, but while going through kitchen to garden, if we are going like 8 people are going to the hospital, that would be a little suspicious. Like for no reason why you're coming here. Like what kind of excuse we are going to give there? And we were thinking of getting the safest option. Spending on if we are giving 30K over there, that wouldn't be a practical thing also, because then later on we won't be left with any kind of money. And
Himanshi, my question to you is,
would be very risky.
Himanshi, my question to you is, why you did not take B option in the first stage instead of A? That is my question.
Okay, so that's what I'm trying to explain you. We actually took that into consideration while we were discussing about it. Throw the guard to the safest option as compared to the ventilators. But then we thought after that, because in the next step we have to make a decision either to go from hospital or then bribing the guards to switch off the lights. So here we had to take a decision. So at that point, if we are going through the hospital, what excuse are we going to make there? It's very less probable that all the 8 people are they are not well at the same time. But if we are going through a ventilator in the first option, then we might get injured, or we.
So you want to get injured first. You want to get injured first. Listen to me, Himanshi. You are presuming that if you go through ventilator, you will get injured, and even if you don't get injured, you will intentionally get injured, so that you want to tell somebody that you are going to hospital if you get caught. And if somebody sees you in the hospital, you are going to hospital being injured, that will be safe if somebody sees you, and you are assuming that somebody is certainly going to see you in the hospital.
Sir, in this current scenarios, we'll have to assume a lot of things, and we thought that this would be the safest thing to do. We could have got caught in the guard room as well. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me give you, I give you this for this solution 6.5 out of 10. You almost got there, except the first part, I think. This question was related to taking the calculated risk and not taking the safest options. Neither you need to take safest option, nor you are to take the less probable option. You need to take the calculated risk, and don't presume the things which may change the track of the question or case study. Don't presume those things. They are not required actually. So now let me come to each one of you first before I give you the solution for this particular case study. because this case study was very relevant to giving the correct answer. If you don't give correct answer, you don't get marks. You may not be eliminated even if you give wrong answers, but you may not get marks either. So Bharat started the discussion and he explained the case to all of you, and he said that we take first we take risk, and then other two options we want to play safe. His logic was that if we get caught initially, at least we save 50,000, maybe we use it later on. But you know, in this particular case, if you get caught, even 50,000 are gone, maybe, because our entire case study should be based upon escape. We do not have any other agenda. We do not have agenda of saving money, of playing safe here and there. Our agenda is to increase the probability of escape. That's it. Increasing the probability of escape, that is the only agenda. If you change the agenda, let's be safe and save some money for later on or something, that is not good. But I accept his view that it's better to take a risk first and then not to take risk, because if that is the case, you know, we may save some money. But this is only 5% of logic, not good, because you know, we need to take the most probable option rather than risky here and there. Whether you take risk in first stage or second stage or third stage, if you get caught in any stage, it is equally damaging. If you get caught in first stage or second or third, it is equally damaging. That is the point actually. But yes, he was of the opinion that I want to save some money or something like that. Okay, now Subramaniam enters and he says strategy we need to make for 3. Does agent know the stages which are mentioned to this? Are the agents knowing these stages? Answer is yes, they know it. So there's no point of actually discussion on that. So he said that we are trained agents, so we can take a risk. Actually, these risks are for trained agents only. So that logic was also not there. So whatever Subramaniam said, that does not make much sense. Then Kritarth enters. He said first stage we'll go for guard, and through guard room we will observe the guard room, his mobility or something, and then go through there. Then he says light tower 30K will be the safest for the second and third. He also gave some solution, and he also said that okay, take the risk in the first stage, and this is how it is to be done. In between, Kritarth was not letting Rahul speak. So Kritarth, certain things go against you. When some member is adding some point, Rahul was adding good point. When you cut him, that is not required. Himanshu, first stage should not be ventilator, because if you get caught, Himanshu was saying that first, yeah, Himanshu was saying that we should not take a ventilator. If you get caught initially, that will be an issue, and later on Himanshi says that ventilator is to be taken. That is not a problem. You can change your stand, but logics you have to give. Then go through the guard room. That is what Himanshi started this entire discussion. Rahul, I could not find much points from Rahul's side because Rahul did not speak. So was the case of Akash. Vaisakhi said, okay, don't save anything. We need not to save any money. Money is not important for us. We are trained, so we can take a risk at the last stage or something like that. So that is what all of you were talking about, at what stage we have to take risk and all. Now I want to bring your attention to the case study once again. So I want you to see the case study once again. See this carefully. See this carefully. And there are certain points here. You see less probable and risky. Less probable and risky. You see safest. You see risky. So wherever there's a risk involved, it is mentioned. Wherever there's a very high safety, it is mentioned. Safest, risky. Now this case study looks like it was a case study of increasing the probability of escape and taking the calculated risk, if at all it is to be taken. So you know what best can be. You, out of these 3 options, we have to spend money. If somebody gives us 1 lakh rupees, you know what we'll do? 25,000, 30,000, 20,000. As simple as that. That is what we are going to do. Somebody is telling you less probability. Somebody is saying risky, avoid it. Somebody is saying less probable and risky. Why you want to take it? Somebody is saying risky. Why you want to take it? Don't you think taking the risky path, you are increasing the probability of getting caught? Do you need the safest thing? We don't want even safest thing. So what actually is required is, let's go through guard room. It is not risky. Is it mentioned it is risky? Nor it is safest. Out of all these 3, this is the safest. Okay. But it is not risky either. So out of these 3, let's be very, very cautious initially. That is the only hurdle. That's the only hurdle we have. Because if we cover this hurdle, then we can cross all the things. Let's see, we go this side and we take this route. Let's take through guard room. It is not risky, it is not mentioned, because if had it been risky, he would have mentioned it. It is not the safest either. But can we take it and avoid the risk? Yes, we can take guard room and avoid the risk. No assumptions further. Then we go to, okay, we cannot afford this guy, we cannot afford it, nor it is required, I suppose, because this looks like not risky, nor safest either, but not risky also. Now we have 50K only, 10K we spent, 10K we spent through hospital by making keys. The moment you make keys, you are saying that, sir, somebody asked 8 people going to hospital, somebody asked how 8 people are going simultaneous. Who told you to go all at the same time? Did anybody tell you that all of you are to go at the same time? You have the keys, you go one, after half an hour another fellow goes, after half an hour another fellow goes. So is there any assumption all 8 are to go at the same time? Answer is no, they can get collected there. You can, all the people after 1 hour, half an hour, one by one जाओ ना उसमें, hospital में जुड़ जाओ, सब इकट्ठे बैठ जाओ. Keys तो बन गई तुम्हारी, 10K you paid for making keys actually. Now the door is open. Now door is open, now come one by one. What is the trouble? You get into hospital, done. We all are there now. Take the safest route out. What is that? Sewerage pipe. All the 8 are to go now together. So all the 8 are to go together from sewage pipe. Why? Because outside vehicle is not going to wait for you for one by one, half an hour each. So what is the option? Okay, let's take guard room. Through guard room we go. Okay, looks like okay. But we need to be very, very meticulous here. When the guard is in the room, when he is not in the room, everything. The moment we do it, then hospital. The moment it is there, then sewage pipe. We go out. There is no other alternative which is better than this. Why? Because bribing the guard 25K. Okay, done. Then 25. And if this 20 you want to take, it is risky. I don't want to take risky. I avoided all the risky things. I avoided this risk. I avoided this risk. Remove it. I don't want risk. Less probable. No. I don't want to do that because I need to increase the probability of going. Okay, done. If you remove these two risky, then what is left? Okay, these two. You have to choose one among these two, and this one. Now 20 is gone. When I remove it, 20 is gone. Now I'm left with 30 only. Okay, 30 I'm left with. Good. I'm left with 30. If I give 30 here, I cannot take any of these two. This 20 I am to take. Why? Because it is risky. I can't take it. So 20 I spent. Now 30 is left. 30 if I give 30, I need to take risky here. I can't go for this also. Eliminated. I eliminated risk. I went for this. I went for this. I cannot take it. I cannot take it. I went for this. I went for this. Now take whatever is left. 20 plus 10, 30. Only 20 is left. I cannot afford it. I don't want to go for this. This is the guard room. Listen, you need to give logics. If you give logics, there is, I'm not saying my answer is perfect or my answer is right or wrong, but I'm saying you need to avoid risk. You need to choose the path which is less risky. When you say less risky, it does not mean most safest you want. You cannot afford. So if I want to avoid the risk and I want to take calculated risk, then this is the option. I cannot take risky here and I need to take this. If I want to take this, I cannot take this. If I can't take this, take this. 30 and then what is left is through guard room. So through guard room, then hospital by making key, and then the sewage pipe. This is the answer. Now, any question you want to ask me?
Yes, sir. I want to ask, sir, if in a such situation occurs when different people are saying their different views and they are not agreeing at a particular point, then how to handle such kind of situation?
That happens when none of you is convincing enough to bring everybody on board. You need to be convincing, you need to be logical. If you give logics, if you convince everybody, that friends, first thing should be we need to avoid risk. That is for sure. Avoid the risk. The moment you avoid risk, your solution will come.
And so what about if any of our team mates get aggressive at that moment of time? What should we be doing at that time?
Nothing, actually spoils. That is the reason entire group gets eliminated. Entire group gets eliminated, yes, because of this. And because of wrong assumption you guys made, you got 6.5. Otherwise, I would have given you 7. You were almost there.
Yes, sir. And sir, what if like if I'm talking and I know whatever solutions that I am giving is the most optimal one, but my team is not agreeing on it. So what should be I doing? Like I should be rigid
You should,
on my
yes,
point, or
you
I
should
be taking
yield. You should yield. At the end, you should all speak in a single voice.
So if I had to give the incorrect answers also, just because my group is saying that, I should be doing that, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
It is a group activity, and entire group is to give solution.
Got it, sir.
Because if you could not convince your group, it is your problem. Now, I'm a team leader. I'm giving you a solution, and you are not respecting me only because I'm a teacher. You are accepting what I said. You are accepting me because of the logics I gave you. And you are free to ask me anything why I'm taking that path, and I have reason to justify that. And again, I'm telling you, they are not sitting there to find right or wrong answer. There may not be right or wrong answer, but then logics are right and wrong. Answer may not be right and wrong. You have to give the logics.
And so here also, like we just noticed one thing that if one person was speaking and the other is cutting at that point of time, so what should, like if I'm speaking, somebody has just cut me. So what should I do? Like I should stop or I should keep on
you
going?
Can very humbly say, you can very humbly say that, okay, Bharat, can you, Bharat, please give me 1 minute. If you say that, Bharat will be silent. There's a way to silence somebody. You can say, Bharat, can you please give me 1 minute? I'm almost there. I'll complete my sentence and then over to you, Bharat. Can you please give me 1 minute, Bharat? Bharat will be silent, you know, because if he does not listen, he'll be out. There are rules, you know, nobody can be aggressive.
Okay, but then you said the whole team is going to eliminate. Now that's why.
If there's a chaos, totally chaos.
Okay, got it.
Sir, regarding solution, I have 2 doubts. Sir, you in your answer there are two cases which are not risky and not safest. You choose the two in the first case, and second case you choose that only moderate tax. So what the solution which we gave has, first one has 100% risk, and remaining 2 has the safest options we choose. So when we talk about calculating the risk, we calculated the risk to took it out in first case itself. So that we can save it money, so that we can try in another time. For that, you said the point that if we got out, the 50K with us also will get taken by them. So my point is, if they got us the 50K, is if you assume that they will take 50,000, then there is no chance that we save 50,000 for that much time, because every day checkups will be done. Every day they will check us. If we have anything, they will check us. So if we are able to hide the 50,000 from them, we can also hide them when we caught also. So we assume that. I'm not saying
they don't check you that way. They don't check you the moment you are caught. They check you thoroughly. Maybe they replace you to different prison. Once you're caught, you're gone. And our priority is not to save money. We are not to even talk about money. We have to talk about the escape as of now.
Yes.
Just avoid the risk. In this question, if you avoid the risk, you get the solution.
But we cannot assume that remaining 2 moderate tasks also involving risk. There is also equal amount of risk.
It is not mentioned. We need to say that wherever it is safest or wherever it is risky, he has mentioned. So if you see through guard room, he has not mentioned it is risky. It is less risky, and you are paying money also 10K. Why you are paying 10K? Can you tell me that? Through guard room 10K. What are you paying this 10K for? Can you tell me that?
To escape, but it is not also mentioned that it is safest. We should calculate.
We don't want safest. If I give you safe, then we don't want safest. That is the deviation I am telling you, no?
Okay.
You are paying money. See, that is what you have to find, the hidden things which nobody can see. See, you are paying money for something, right? Here you are paying 10K for something. That means it will not be risky. It will not be risky. It may not be safest, but it will not be risky either. Same, you are paying something here. The moment you pay, that means you are getting something over there. Why you want to take very risky and get caught? You need not to take risky thing. That is what I'm saying. Don't take risk. Don't take risk. Just avoid risk and you get the solution. Probability will be maximum of escape. And then just to prove your point, you cannot say that how do we know, sir, it is safe, it is not written. Not written, okay, agreed. But not written risky either. Not, and you have spent money also. The moment you're spending money, that means you are finding some way out there. Because here you are not spending money, here you are not spending money. So where you are not spending money, probability is very high of getting caught. So don't go there. As simple as that. Avoid it. The moment you avoid it, everything is done. 20K, we are left with 30K. Now 30 we cannot give here because the moment we do this, we are caught here. So he has made it very systematically. The person who sees that bhai mere ko risk nahi lena hai, done, he will find the solution. Usko solution mil jayega. Chalo, I add it up here only now. And just to go these logics, it was calculated risk and no assumptions. It was like that. And then logics. It is, I'm not saying the answer which I gave you is the best and you will escape. I'm not saying that, but it is all logic. You have to convince him. You have to give logics on what basis you are reaching this. That is only going to matter. And he is going to give you 8 marks. Our purpose is not even to escape the prison. Our purpose is to, qualify group task and get 8 marks. That you will get it with this answer, right? So thank you and have a nice day.